In this video, we're going to talk about the way the Department of State and U.S. consulates are prioritizing visa cases. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also U.S. citizens regarding the immigration questions. Sometimes we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to the United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. But today's video, like I said in the introduction, is about the way the Department of State, the U.S. Consulate, are prioritizing visa cases, either immigrant visa case or non-immigrant visa cases. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are still waiting for your interview appointment letter. I receive messages every day. You're wondering why it's taking so long. You're wondering why the immigration suspension is over, but you still didn't receive your interview appointment letter yet. Well, maybe this video will clarify that a little bit. So one thing you have to know is that the Department of State, basically NVC, is still sending visa cases, still sending cases to U.S. Consulate for interview. Okay, they're still scheduling visa interview for you guys. Okay, some of you guys who didn't receive your interview appointment letter yet, you're gonna receive it eventually. One thing you have to know is that the U.S. Consulate will resume visa services based on the local conditions, and also they have to follow the country's government guidance, okay, regarding COVID-19. And not only that, they still have to follow the U.S. government and the Department of State guidance regarding COVID-19. For example, social distance rules in the consulate facilities, and also they have to make sure they don't schedule an interview appointment for a lot of people, so they don't want a lot of people to come in the facility at the same time. Okay, there's something they're really serious about. Okay, so now they are processing immigrant visa, a lot of immigrant visa cases compared to non-immigrant visa cases. Okay, so what is going on now? How the U.S. Consulate, the Department of State, is prioritizing visa cases. Okay, now they put visa applicant in 4 different categories. Okay, there are people who are high, like when it comes to priority, they are high in the priority list, and then the people who are second, third, and then fourth. Okay, in the first group, when it comes to the way the U.S. consulates are prioritizing visa cases, we have adoption cases. So like U.S. citizens who adopt children overseas, where they put that on top of the list. Okay, in the same group, we'll have children who are aging out, who will turn 21, where they put those cases on top of the list, as well as special immigrant visa cases like citizens of Iraq who work for the U.S. government. So they put those people on top of the list. And the second, we have an immediate relative. Okay, immediate relative like spouse of U.S. citizens, underage and children of U.S. citizens, parent of U.S. citizens, K1 fiance visa cases, and also returning resident. So returning resident basically are people who left the country with their green card. They stay outside the United States of America for more than a year without re-entry permit, or who have a re-entry permit but stay outside United States of America more than 2 years. Okay, those people are in group 2. Okay, when it comes to the way the U.S. consulate prioritizing visa cases. The third group will be family-based visa cases like F1, F2, F3, and F4. They are in group 3. And then the fourth group will be other immigrant visa applicants like DV lorry visa applicant. Those people are in on the bottom, basically. Okay, people who are in group 3 and group 4 still gonna face some delay, but the U.S. consulate is still working on those cases as well. But for example, like I said, on DV lorry visa applicant, well, I don't think the U.S. consulate will be able to reach their ceiling, like their yearly ceiling, when it comes to visa interview appointment. But they're gonna do their best to schedule interview appointment for those visa applicants. So basically, that's what is going on. At the U.S. consulate. That's the reason why some of you guys are still waiting for interview appointment letter. Again, they are prioritizing visa cases. Okay, there are people who are in group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So you just have to be patient. As long as your case is documented to qualify, the U.S. consulate resume visa services. Well, you just have to wait. There's nothing else you can do. Like I tell you guys every time, there's nothing else you can do. You just have to wait. Even if you call the U.S. consulate, they're gonna tell you the same thing. You call NVC, they're gonna tell you the same thing. Okay. So some of you guys who are no immediate relative, you still have to check on the visa bulletin board to see if your priority date is current. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, or you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below this video, or hit USMon logo over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.